Fall weather is definitely here. Chilly morning, we got some coffee, and today we're gonna cut some holes in the ambo. We're gonna put one on this side and one on the other side where the kitchen is gonna be, and pretty stoked actually. I was kind of against it at first because of insulation, things like that, but I think the windows are gonna be a great option for us. So stay tuned while we chop this sucker up. Windows we decided to go with are from Tern Overland. These are the Arctic Tern windows. Double pane, lightweight. They seem to be pretty well insulated from the reviews I've seen, so hopefully they will work pretty well. Went with smaller ones. I believe they're about 12 inches by 25 inches, but this will fit in the kitchen and the kind of bench, we'll call it living room area, pretty well. All right, we got the windows out. We got the inner frame. So we got the real thick frames because we have to go through the sheeting of the aluminum, or the aluminum sheeting of the ambulance, plus we have 2-inch studs, plus we'll have a little bit of board for our walls. So we got the biggest inner piece that they have. I think this is 2.5 to 3 inch width, so this should fit just great. But what you want to do is you take this and the inside rim, you want to trace that out on a piece of cardboard, and that's going to be your template. So we did our template, we did some measurements, try to figure out exactly where we want this to go. We have the beams marked, and we're going to cut out these 2 beams, and then we're going to cut out the outside of the ambo to be able to fit everything through. We got the pattern on the wall. We're going to put some holes in here, and then we're going to go on the outside, line it up, trace it out, and start cutting. Let's put holes in the side.
We did it.
Yep, we did it now. Quick little tip. I hung this template on the inside so I can see exactly where I want the window to go. But it's a lot easier to cut on the outside of the ambulance. So what I did, while this is hung here in place, I drilled a bunch of random holes throughout here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this template, I'm going to go on the outside, and I'm going to line up those holes. Might be a little hard to see, but we have our screws outside here. This part with the fragile, this was actually on the wall on the inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that and we're going to hang it right here. Don't flip it, don't rotate it. So I'm going to take it, and all as we do, all right, so we got that hanging there. Now what we'll do is we'll adjust it. We'll make sure that it is straight, but lining up all those holes. I do have one additional hole that I leave open, so it helps me kind of line that up and down. But that'll keep us nice and straight and lined up exactly where we need it for the inside. We even have an audience here watching us really mess this up. We got holes in the ambo now. About to find out. We have a window finally. It fits. Now we gotta go inside. We have to do the framing, get it fully attached to everything, and we'll be good to go. Just like that, we have another hole.